Mummy, wake up. It is my birthday today. I am 7 years old.
Good morning, my love. How old are you today?
I am 7. Today is my birthday. 7! I am 7 now.
Almost. One more hour in the oven, then it cools. Then the frosting. Pink frosting. Dan, wake up. Balloons, decorations, garden. Get up.
Okay, I am up.
Sam, out of bed. Your sister's birthday. 20 minutes.
Why? Okay, fine.
30 balloons. I counted them.
$30, Dan. Garden, along the fence, some inside on the chairs, above the table. Happy birthday, Lily.
Got it.
The cake smells so good.
Chocolate, her favorite. Do not touch it.
I am just smelling.
The oven. The power is out. All of it. The cake. It is not finished.
How long has it been in?
45 minutes. It needs 20 more. Okay. Let me think. What do we need to do to fix this problem? Relax. And think.
Mr. Park! Mr. Park, sorry to bother you. Power is out. Mia's birthday cake. Not done. 20 more minutes. Can I use your stove?
A birthday cake. Come in. Of course.
Leave it with us. Go back. Your family needs you.
Thank you. Really. Thank you. Mr. Park, come at 4. Bring your wife, please.
We do not want to intrude.
You are welcome. Both of you.
We will be there.
Candles. So many candles.
Why do we have so many candles?
I buy them every Christmas. I never use them. Sam. Jars. Shelf up there. All of them.
All of them?
Every single one. Put one candle in each jar. Like this.
Like this?
Perfect. Exactly like that. Lily, your job is the table.
Mom said I have to fold the napkins. Make them beautiful, like a birthday palace.
Mom told me to blow all these balloons. My cheeks hurt. But Lily loves balloons. 1.
Sam, you are going very red, like a tomato.
Mom!
A very ripe tomato. Keep going. You are doing great. My phone. 20% battery. I cannot play music for Lily's birthday party.
Wait! My old radio! Battery radio from camping. 3 years ago. I think it still has batteries.
It works. It actually works. It works.
It actually works.
It sounds old.
It sounds perfect. Old-fashioned means from the past, not modern. Sometimes old-fashioned is best.
And beautiful. Who made the flowers? My wife. She heard it was a little girl's birthday. She had pink. She could not help herself.
20 minutes.
Look at this place.
Lily, are you nervous?
A little. What if my friends do not like it? No lights, no speaker, no power.
Lily, look at this table. Your mom worked since this morning. Your brother's face is still red from the balloons.
That people love me.
That is exactly right.
You came! Come in! Come in! Watch the candles on the steps. Happy birthday, Lily! Your house looks so beautiful.
What happened? Is everything okay?
Power cut, 1 hour before the party. It was okay. Better than okay. Is that a radio? A real radio?
Battery radio.
No screens today. Everything is off. Real games. Good games. Old games. The music plays. You walk around the chairs. When it stops, you sit. Last one without a chair loses. Ready?
I sat down. The music stopped. I did not mean to take your chair.
That was my chair. I was going to sit there.
I am sorry. You can have the next chair.
Okay.
Freeze dance. Dance when the music plays. Freeze when it stops. Do not move. Like a statue. A statue with no expression.
I love to dance! Freeze dance is my favorite game!
Freeze!
I do not like to freeze. I like to dance. 7 candles, and 1 for good luck.
1 for good luck. I like that. Like stars on the ground.
Happy birthday, dear Lily. Happy birthday to you.
Close your eyes. Make a wish.
Did you wish?
I wished.
What did you wish for?
I cannot say.
Why not?
If I say it out loud, it will not come true. Mrs. Park, thank you for my birthday cake. It was so beautiful.
You are very welcome, Lily. It was my pleasure. Every little girl deserves a beautiful cake. This is much better than lights. Lights are cold. Candles are warm.
I never thought of it that way.
Cold light, warm light. There is a difference.
Sam, how many pieces of cake did you eat?
3.
3 pieces.
They were small pieces.
They were not small pieces. The whole cake is gone. That is the best sign. It means it was good.
Lily, are you happy?
I am so happy
Even without electricity?
because of no electricity. If we had electricity, maybe none of that happens.
She has fallen asleep. She is 7 years old.
7 years old. And she is already smarter than both of us.
Daddy, put me down.
You were asleep, Lily.
I am not ready for bed.
It is late.
I was resting my eyes. That's different from sleeping.
She has a point.
The electricity is back. The power cut is over.
Turn it off, Daddy. The candles are much nicer.
But the electricity is fixed.
I know. Turn it off.
She is right, Dan. Turn it off.
Both of you.
Thank you, Dad.
Leave the candles. Leave the radio. Just for tonight.
Just for tonight.
This is the best birthday I ever had.
Better than last year?
Much better than last year.
Why?
Because last year everything worked. Everything was normal. This year nothing worked. And it was still perfect.
Sam, thank you for the balloons.
I still cannot feel my lips.
They will come back.
I hope so.
Thank you for watching our story.
We hope you liked it.
Please subscribe for more adventures.
See you next time. Bye.